Oh. Alright guys, welcome to the video. This is going to be a weird one. I haven't exactly even decided at this point what's going to be in this video, but might be an good lord, a machine shop trip. It might also just be me doing something silly with the engine in the vent that I've never done before, that I'm kind of iffy about. But figured I would take you guys along for the ride. And first and foremost, we are starting with something I should have done a long time ago, like, I don't know, last Christmas. My friend Cole Scott bought me speakers for the Jeep because I love music. Music is more important to me than the vast majority of things. And he knew that, knows that. So he got me speakers. So that's what we're doing. Boom. So these are straight up just direct replacements. And I'm stoked because I've been listening to some more modern music that I usually listen to. Like Ninth Wonder. Recent album by Kamasi Washington. Also, look at that. The little center tweeter just fell off. So if anyone's like, hey, how does your Jeep ride? Is it like kind of, you know, is it nice? Not really. I'm picking up the engine for the Cutlass. The engine and the block and the crank, because that is done. And then I'm also dropping off the 396 that was in the truck, because that thing needs to be cleaned up and, you know, made sure that it's ready for new bearings. And I'm going to get the rotating assembly balanced as well. And it's going to be great. It's going to be great. Because that means I can start putting the Cutlass together, which I think is what you guys really want, judging by how well the Cutlass videos are doing. Thank you, by the way. I should do stuff like this more often. It makes me feel like I actually know what I'm doing. Dang, those are so much louder. Those are so much louder. Okay, so we're just going to finish dismantling the block, getting it ready. We're going to get this seal out. We're going to get all the bearings out, and we're essentially just going to prep it to go in the Jeep and go to the machine shop, and bingo, bango, bongo. Yeah, cool. Let's do it. Going to package it all up, and next time you guys will see me, we'll be throwing this in the back of the Jeep, and we will be going to the Machinist to get the Cutlass engine back so we can start assembling that, because I want to drive a G-body again so bad. And then we'll dropping off the 396 and the crank and all that stuff to get the whole system balanced and ready to go for that to be reassembled. But yes, we're doing good stuff. We're doing good stuff. So before I start rambling about how excited I am about the future and all of the good stuff that's about to happen, we'll see you guys tomorrow. The Jeep is a utility vehicle. That's what it's labeled as, right? That's what its title is, right? Look at how perfect that is. That couldn't be more perfect. It couldn't. Lie to me. Tell me it's not absolutely perfect. I just rolled it straight into the back. Come on. Ugh. This is exactly what this drive's like. Probably blocks even more now. Let's get this crap to the Machinist. Another awesome thing about this Jeep, I just have it in first. We're on a pretty decent incline. I'll let it clutch up. Got it. Ugh. Sorry if that made anybody want to throw up. Okay. That's enough of that. Let's hit the road. We have everything. Booyah, booyah. Let's go pick up the Cutlass engine. Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm excited. Shall we dial back the coffee intake? Just kidding. Why would anybody do that? I gotta get gas. Curse this 4-liter and its magnificent torque. All right. I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. I might be at the machine shop. Might find something funny to film in the meantime, but if not, you guys will know. Also, that crank is heavy. It's almost like big block stuff is way bigger than and heavier than small block stuff. Who'da thunk? Psych. Already back. We are back. We have the crank. We have the block. I forgot to bring the other stuff for the 396 to get everything balanced. So what I'm going to be doing is leaving this stuff in here because I have to go to work. And I'm going to take the vet. So since I'm on a time crunch, I'm going to end this video here. And I'm super excited because actually I should probably show you guys, because the crank and the block look amazing. I am beyond stoked. I just love the look of fresh, clean stuff, even if it's just old. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Extremely happy. So there we go. The Cutlass engine is back. Oh. So all we got to do now is get it cleaned up. We can assemble the short block and we can get rolling on that project. Oh my gosh. It's been a little while, but I'm extremely excited because my G-body, man. It's my G-body. I miss it. I miss it so much. So yeah, unfortunately guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I'll take this mammal jammal to work. Oh, it's so dirty. But there you guys go. Cutlass engine is back, 396 is getting worked, and we're rocking and rolling. So thank you guys very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys in the next video where I might be assembling the short block, might be messing with the vet, I don't know, but you guys will see. So take it easy and see you next time. Peace.
Scott Edwards Jr.
Playmate chop. Yep. Oh my gosh.